Exercise 2.4. First problem. Let triangle ABC is similar to the triangle DEF and their areas be respectively. Means area of the triangle ABC is 64 centimeter square and the area of the triangle DEF, that is 121 centimeter square, right? EF is 15.4 centimeter. We need to find here BC. This is 64 centimeter square and this is 121 centimeter square. Here we need to find the BC. So let's set the given things. Here what all they have given? Area. Area of a triangle ABC is what? 64 centimeter square, and area of a triangle DEF is equals to 121 centimeter square. And also they have given side EF is equals to 15.4 centimeter. Here we are going to use areas of a similar triangle formula, that is proof area of a triangle ABC divided by area of a triangle DEF is equals to, sides are first triangle side, that is BC, right? So we have to write BC and EF. Substitute the given values in this equation. We'll get area of a triangle, that is 64 centimeter, and area of a triangle DEF, that is 121 centimeter. BC we need to find, and EF is 15.4, right? And we can see that we'll split these numbers and write, means 8 8s are 64 and even 11 into 11 will get 121, that is equals to BC divided by 15.4. Now we'll bring this 15.4 to the left hand side. 8 into 8, sorry, this is whole square, right? Whole square, and this is also whole square. 11 into 11, then BC square is divided by 15.4 whole square. As I told, we'll bring this to the left hand side. 8 into 8 divided by 11 into 11 into 15.4 is equals to BC square. Now we'll write in a power, this means 8 divided by 11 whole square, and even 15, this is also square. 15.4 whole square is equals to now BC square, right? Now squares will get cancels. Right here, square get will cancels. So remaining thing is 8 divided by 11 into 15.4, that is equals to BC. 8 divided by 11, we have to remove this decimal point. We'll get 5154 divided by 10, that is equals to BC. Now we'll simplify. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 11 1s are 11, 11 1s are 11, remaining is 4, 11 4s are 44. Now 4 into 44 divided by 5 1s are 5, that is equals to BC now. 4 4s are 16, 4 1s are 4, that is 5. 56 divided by 5, that is equals to BC. 56 is divided by 5 here. We'll get, after dividing 56 by 5, we'll get answer 11.2. They have given in centimeter, right? So centimeter is equals to BC. Therefore BC is equals to 11.2 centimeter. We found the value of BC, that is 11.2 centimeter, right? This is how we need to solve the problem when given. Second problem. Diagonals of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel DC intersect each other at the point O if AB is equals to 2 times of CD. Find the ratios of the areas of the triangle AOB and COD. Here they are asking us, we have to find the ratios of a triangle AOB and triangle COD. We have to find the ratios of the areas of these two triangles, right? To show that those areas of the triangles are in the same ratio, we need to say that these two triangles are similar here, right? Without saying these two triangles are similar, we cannot find the ratios of the areas of the given two triangles. First triangle, which one we have taken? Triangle AOB, right? Triangle OB. So we have to write angle of that triangle only. And here we have taken triangle COD, means we have to take here D. Angle D is equals to angle B, and one more angle A is equals to angle C, because these two are alternate angles. Right? Therefore we can say that triangle AOB is similar to the triangle COD by angle similarity. Now we can apply the areas of a triangle statement. Means area of a triangle AOB divided by area of a triangle COD. Yes, that is equals to what? The squares of the ratios of corresponding side. Here we will take only one side. They have given that AB divided by CD, isn't it? Whole square of that. You know that the formula for area of a triangle AOB, we are going to apply that formula only. What is the formula for that? Okay, sorry, we'll solve directly them here. They have given the values of this here, so we are going to substitute 2 divided by 1. Before this, first we'll take AB, means what they have given. AB is equals to 2 times of CD. Okay, we'll substitute that. AB is equals to 2 times of CD divided by CD. We'll keep it as it is, and whole square, right? And that is equals to CD get cancels, and remaining is 2 divided by 1 whole square. That is equals to what? 2 2s are 4, 1 1s are 1, right? We have to write this in a ratio, that is 4:1. We got that area of a triangle AOB divided by area of the triangle COD is equals to what? 4 by 1. This is the answer, right? We proved second one. Third problem, ABC and DBC are the two triangles on the same base BC, right? You can see that triangle ABC and triangle DBC are on the same base, that is BC. If AD is intersecting BC at O, then we need to show that area of the triangle ABC divided by area of the triangle DBC is equals to AO divided by BO. We need to show, right? So let's begin the proof. Given thing, what all they have given here? AD intersecting BC here, right? And here to show that AO divided by DO, this is DO, right? AO divided by DO, we need to do a construction here, right? Construction is, I am going to draw a line from a point A to a BC perpendicularly, and here also same. I am going to draw the line perpendicular. This is 90 degree and this is also 90 degree. As here I have written the construction. We drawn AP perpendicular to BC and even DQ perpendicular to BC, right? Here we need to show that this is equal. So we have to consider the triangle AAPQ APO, in triangle APO and in triangle DQO, in these two triangles, in triangle APO and triangle DQO, we know that angle P is equals to angle Q because each 90 degree, and even angle O is equals to angle O, vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles, right? Therefore, we can say that by angle criteria, triangle APO is similar to the triangle DQO by angle similarity, right? Then if these two triangles are similar, then the corresponding ratios are in squares of ratio, right? So we'll write here, therefore AO divided by DO is equals to, again one more, that is AP divided by DQ. AP divided by DQ. We'll call this as equation 1. Right? Now we'll consider the triangle ABC and triangle DBC. For this triangle, we'll apply the basic area formula, right? So in triangle ABC and triangle DBC, in these two triangles, area of a triangle AB divided by area of a triangle, that is DBC, right, is equals to what? Half into base of triangle ABC is BC and height is AP, and even base of the triangle DBC is BC, half into BC into AD means height means DQ, isn't it? This is AP. Now half of get cancels, BC get cancels, so we got AP divided by DQ. We'll call this as equation 2. You can observe equation 1 and equation 2, that area of a triangle ABC divided by area of a triangle DBC. You can observe these two right hand sides are equal, so we can write that left hand sides are also equal. From 1 and 2, area of a triangle ABC divided by area of a triangle DBC is equals to AO divided by DO. Right? We proved. We need to prove this only. We proved it. You can see it here. Yes, hence proved. Fifth problem. D, E and F are respectively the midpoints of the side AB, BC and CA of a triangle ABC. Find the ratios of the area of a triangle DEF and ABC. Means we have to find the ratios of areas of a triangle DEF and triangle ABC, right? That we need to show here. Let's begin the proof. In triangle ABC, to prove this, here we are going to apply midpoint theorem, right? After midpoint theorem, next we are going to say that the two triangles are similar. Later on, we'll prove that what is the ratio of these two areas of a triangle, right? In triangle ABC, we can see that D, E and F are the midpoints of sides AB, BC and AC respectively, isn't it? Now if these points are the midpoints, then DF is parallel to BC, isn't it, by the midpoint theorem, right? So DF is parallel to BC, midpoint theorem and in it here. If DF is parallel to BC means, and also the DF will be the half of the BC, isn't it? DF is equals to half of the BC, right? I will bring this 2 to the left hand side. So 2 times of DF is equals to BC here, right? Now we'll call this as equation 1. Now we'll consider the triangle. Now next step we have to say that two triangles are similar. So in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, ABC and triangle DEF, in these two triangles, next we have to show that two triangles are similar, right? I have taken the triangles ABC and triangle DEF are similar here. To show that two triangles are similar, I will take angle A is equals to angle E, right? Because opposite angles of the parallelogram ADEF. Yes, and similarly I am going to take one more pair, that is angle B is equals to angle F. Again opposite angles of the parallelogram DBEF, right? So we'll write it here. Angle A is equals to angle DEF, because opposite, later on we'll write, and one more pair will write angle B is equals to angle DEFE here. These two are because opposite angles of parallelogram. This is the angle of a parallelogram ADEF, right? And this is the opposite angle of a parallelogram DBEF. Now we can say that these two triangles are similar here, right? So therefore triangle ABC is similar to the triangle DEF, right? By angle similarity. Right? If these two triangles are similar, then by the areas of the similarity theorem, according to the areas of a similarity theorem, the ratios of the squares of the corresponding sides will be equal. So we'll write it here. Area of a triangle. Which triangle we have to write? First triangle they have given here DEF, right? So we have to write at the numerator place triangle DEF. At the denominator place second triangle, that is area of a triangle ABC. That is equals to, you know that here ratios of the corresponding sides means DF of a triangle DEF triangle, I am going to take DF as a side, and for the triangle ABC I am going to take BC as the side and square of that, right? Now you can observe that here I got BC value as 2 times of DF, right? So I am going to substitute it here. DF divided by 2 times of again DF only, then whole square from 1, right? DF get cancels, 1 divided by 2 whole square is equals to 1 ones are 1, 2 square means that is 4, right? Hence we got the area of a triangle means the ratios of the areas of a triangle DEF triangle ABC is equals to what? 1 divided by 4, right? Okay, this completes fifth problem.